In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to load devices error on the Amazon Alexa app. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Now find Amazon Alexa and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option App Info, go to Storage, go to Clear Cache and confirm it. Next, check whether your device is connected to any VPN service or not. If your device is connected, you will need to disable it. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check the server status of Amazon. For that, launch your preferred browser, head over to the website Down Detector, search for Amazon. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from their end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Amazon Alexa app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.